Imagine this. It's the middle of the month and you're feeling pretty good about your budget. But then, bam, your credit card bill arrives and the interest charges are higher than last month. Wait, what just happened? This isn't random. It's the ripple effect of rising interest rates. And here's the thing. This change doesn't just affect your credit card bill. It can impact your loans, your savings, and even how much house you can afford. Scary, right? But before you panic, let's break this down and figure out how to protect your wallet. In the next 5 minutes, I'll explain what rising interest rates mean, why they're increasing, and most importantly, how you can shield your budget and even benefit from this shift. Stay till the end, because I'll reveal a simple hack that can save you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars a year. Section 1. What are interest rates and why are they rising? Scene. A simplified animation of the Federal Reserve adjusting a dial labeled interest rates. First, let's clarify. Interest rates are the cost of borrowing money. When the Federal Reserve raises these rates, it's usually to control inflation. That's when everything from groceries to gas gets more expensive. And no, the Fed isn't just out to ruin your plans for a new car or vacation. Think of it like them trying to put a leash on a wild dog, keeping the economy in check. Section 2. How does this affect your budget? Here's where it gets personal. Rising interest rates mean your credit card debt becomes more expensive. Let's say you owe $5,000 on a card with a 20% interest rate. If the rate jumps to 24%, you're paying hundreds more in interest annually, and that's money you could have invested or saved. But credit cards aren't the only culprit. What about your student loans, car payments, or mortgage? Things can get tricky, fast. Let me explain. Variable rate loans, like many student or car loans, can spike as rates rise. Suddenly, that $300 car payment becomes $350. It's like playing financial whack-a-mole. And we all know how hard it is to win at that game. Section 3. But it's not all bad news. But higher interest rates aren't always a villain. If you've got savings in a high-yield account or CDs, you'll start earning more. This is your chance to let your money work harder for you. Section 1. How to protect yourself. So, how can you stay ahead? Here's your 3-step plan. Pay down debt. Focus on high-interest debt first, like credit cards. Lock in rates. If you've got variable rate loans, explore refinancing to a fixed rate. Boost savings. Take advantage of higher interest savings accounts to build a safety net. But there's one more thing, the secret hack I mentioned earlier. It's simple, but most people overlook it. Section 2, the secret hack. Here it is. Review your budget monthly. Rates change, and so should your strategy. By tweaking your spending and savings regularly, you'll stay ahead of rising costs. And that's how you build wealth, not just survive. Rising interest rates don't have to derail your goals. With the right moves, you can turn this challenge into an opportunity. So, what will you do differently today to protect your budget and build wealth? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on living smarter, saving better, and growing your wealth. See you next time.